When I was 3, I was fascinated by dinosaurs, and now here I am at university studying fossil shark teeth. So hi everyone, my name is Louis-Philippe, and I'm a graduate student in the Larsson Lab here at McGill University in the Department of Biology. I got really interested into paleontology when I was a kid, specifically when I was 3 years old, and the teacher in my preschool actually showed us this huge encyclopedia of scientific concepts, including dinosaurs. And so ever since that day, I've been fascinated by prehistory. And while I was in high school, I had the opportunity to write a very long project about the prehistory of Eastern Canada, during which I discovered the existence of these undescribed giant shark teeth from Nova Scotia, which I thought looked really, really cool and wanted to learn more about. But unfortunately, it's not until when I started university that I had the actual opportunity to take a look at them and really properly describe them. And in doing so, it turns out that those fossils were the first megalodon fossils from Canada. And so megalodon was this giant shark that existed up until about 2 million years ago. And it was a very large cousin of the modern great white shark. In fact, scientists estimate it was about 3 times as long as the greatest great white shark to have ever existed, so about 20 meters long, 3 school buses in length, which is very impressive. It had about 200 teeth in its mouth. It could have swallowed an entire whale in a single bite, and it was probably the apex predator of its time. And so to find these fossils in Canada is pretty exceptional because it shows us that, first of all, megalodons range much further north than we expected, but also, second of all, it gives us some insights as to what the ecosystems were back then, right? What was the top predator, how much energy was flowing in the ecosystem to be able to sustain these very large predators. It was a really fun project, and I'm glad that I was able to pursue this during my studies at McGill.